You surely have it in your medicine cabinet. As soon as the cucumber leaves start to yellow, make a spray from it. The cucumbers will bear fruit all summer long. First, prepare 1 tablespoon of cloves, put them in a grinder and grind them finely. Cloves have antibacterial and antifungal properties. They protect the plants from many diseases and pests. Now prepare a blender. Pour 1 liter of water into it. Add the ground cloves. Cloves have another advantage. They neutralize ethylene, the gas responsible for fruit ripening and vegetable yellowing. Add aspirin to the cloves. It is a pain reliever and fever reducer that contains salicylic acid. This makes the plants more resistant to heat and drought. When the aspirin dissolves, mix the solution well. Pour the fertilizer into a spray bottle, and the spray is ready. Just spray the cucumbers regularly to prevent the leaves from yellowing and save your crops.